Choosing a refrigerator can be overwhelming with so many models, brands, and features available on the market. Here are some tips that might help you pick the right refrigerator for your needs. Determine your space. Measure the space where you plan to put your refrigerator. Make sure to consider the width, depth, and height of the area, including the space needed for the door to swing open. Decide on the type. There are several types of refrigerators available, including top, freezer, bottom, freezer, side, by-side, French door, and mini fridges. Think about how much food you typically store in your fridge and choose a model that has enough space to accommodate your needs. Look for energy efficiency. Refrigerators can be a significant contributor to your energy bills. Choose a model that is energy efficient and has a high Energy Star rating. Evaluate the features. Modern refrigerators come with a wide range of features. Check the noise level. Some refrigerators can be quite loud, which can be annoying if you have an open-plan living space. Read reviews. Read reviews from other customers to see how the refrigerator has worked for them, including any issues they have encountered. Set a budget. Finally, set a budget for your refrigerator purchase and look for models that fall within your price range. Keep in mind that more features and larger capacity usually mean a higher price tag.